Fit and Fabulous, and today we are going to be talking all about LadyBoss. So we are going to be talking about the LadyBoss products. So I'm really going to be exposing to you guys today exactly which products I like and which products I don't really like. I think you guys are actually going to be pretty surprised with the product that I picked as my #1 pick, as well as the ones that I don't really like. As well as today we're going to be talking about how you can actually get a discount with the LadyBoss products, because if you're anything like me and you love a good discount, I mean, I always like to go to the discount rack whenever I go to like pretty much any store. I always like to save money, so I figured you guys would probably like to save money as well. We are going to be talking about how you can actually get a discount and what kind of discounts you can actually get with the LadyBoss products. If you guys are new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the like. If you guys do like this video, I post videos like this every single Thursday. So I post videos on weight loss, I post videos on like recipes, I post videos on like cool reviews and like all kinds of like super fun stuff. If you guys hit the notification, you will never miss a video like this in the future. Let's get started. So this is all of the LadyBoss products. So I guess I'll just briefly explain exactly what all the products are, and then I'll basically go through and tell you which ones I like, which ones I don't like. So first thing we have on the list is the LadyBoss Lean. So this is the protein powder. This is the vanilla cake flavor. It is delicious, and you can literally mix it with pretty much anything. It has 100 calories. It's got like 15 grams of protein, and it's honestly delicious. So that's the LadyBoss Lean. Next thing we have is the LadyBoss Greens. This is like a green supplement. It is apple pie flavored. It is also really delicious. This is a product, this is like their newest product. So they just came out with this product about 2.5 months ago or something. This basically has all kinds of like really good green stuff in it. So it has antioxidant super blend in it. It has like a green super blend. It has like immunity support. It's honestly, there's a crazy amount of stuff in here. Basically 1 scoop of this is 8 servings of fruit and vegetables in 1 scoop of the LadyBoss Greens. In one of those scoops. The next 2 products is basically the LadyBoss Fuel and the LadyBoss Recover. So these are basically 2 products that kind of go like hand in hand together. So the LadyBoss Fuel would be something that you would take before your workout, and then the LadyBoss Recover would be something that you would take after your workout. Now they both are the same flavor, so they're both watermelon candy, which is like a really delicious flavor. I mean, I didn't think that I would like it, but it is a really good flavor. The Fuel is basically, has a lot of B vitamins in it. It has a lot of stuff that's basically gonna give you more of like a get up and go. Just basically gives you some, like more energy when you're going to work out or going to the gym, or basically whether you're going outside or something, right? So this is something that if you need some get up and go, that's what you need, is the LadyBoss Fuel. The LadyBoss Recover is basically, it's gonna help you with like muscle soreness. It's gonna help you with like the recovery. Obviously the name recovery. This is more of amino acid, electrolytes. So basically this is good. It's almost like, instead of Gatorade, you could almost like drink the Recover and basically be the same. So the next 2 things we have are the LadyBoss Burn and the LadyBoss Rest. Basically, I'll talk about the LadyBoss Burn first. So LadyBoss Burn is basically, it's like a fat burner. So basically this would be something that you could take first thing in the morning. I believe the LadyBoss website does say to take it first thing in the morning. Now when I take these, I literally take them right before I go to the gym, because that's kind of like my prime time. So I would take like 1 to 2 before I go to the gym and work out, and that's when I kind of get like more of a boost of energy. So when you take the LadyBoss Burn, you want to make sure that you're doing some sort of like physical activity. You can't take the LadyBoss Burn and basically sit at your desk and just like do computer work all day. It doesn't really work like that. So you do want to do it when you're doing some sort of strenuous, whether it's going to the gym or whatever it is, some sort of like physical activity. Now the LadyBoss Rest, as it sounds, is to help you sleep. So basically you would take it about an hour before you want to go to bed. I found like it doesn't really work like immediately, although I was a little bit freaked out to take it at the beginning, just because I mean, I've never really taken like any sort of sleep aid before, but yeah, it definitely does work for sure. But you want to make sure that you take it like an hour before like you actually want to go to sleep, and it really does give you like a good restful sleep. So those are all the products in the LadyBoss lineup. Now I'm basically gonna rate them as to which ones I like and which ones I don't like. Let's start with the one that I like the least. If we had to pick one that I like the least, I would say it would probably be the LadyBoss Recover. So this is a product that I have used with the LadyBoss Fuel, but because it is the same flavor, I find when I have the same flavor after I work out, it kind of is like too much of the same flavor. So this is also something that I never really use too much on a regular basis. So this is probably like my least favorite one. That is number 6. So we're gonna go with number 5, and number 5 would probably be the LadyBoss Rest. Now I would put this as number 5 just because, I mean, again, I don't really need help sleeping. I'm one of those people that I can pretty much like lay on the couch, close my eyes, and I'm pretty much like instantly asleep. So this is just something that I never really used. Although when I did use it, and I have used it, you know, in the past, just because, you know, sometimes if you wake up early and maybe you have trouble sleeping, or maybe you're overtired, or you're trying to go to bed like fairly early because you do have to get up in the morning, I have used this and it does really work. But I would put this as number 5 again because I've just never really used it that much. So yeah, that's my number 5 is the LadyBoss Rest. We are on to number 4. Number 4 is probably the LadyBoss Fuel. I know, most of you are probably shocked. So LadyBoss Fuel, when I first got this product, I was using it a lot before I went to the gym. So I would basically mix up a shaker cup and like drink it and then go to the gym. And between that and the LadyBoss Burn, I was like wired for sound. I would basically go and just like kill my workout. But I find with like the combination of the two of them, I think I'm just a little bit caffeine sensitive, and just like, I'm just sensitive to like too many stimulants. So basically when I had them together, it was just like too much for me. So I guess that's probably why that I put that down to like number 4, is because it just seemed like it was just like a little bit too much. If I had to basically choose between this and the Burn, I would definitely go with the Burn, just because way back in the day, I used to be one of those people that would take pre-workout and stuff all the time. But now it's like, I don't know if it's because I'm getting older, I'm just like changing. I always just like to take the Burn right before I work out. I just find it's just a little bit more effective for me, but that's just my body type. So the LadyBoss Fuel is number 4 on my list. So these are my top 3 LadyBoss products. So if I had to go with my 3rd favorite LadyBoss product, what do you guys think my 3rd favorite LadyBoss product is? Just let me know in the comment section down below. So my 3rd favorite LadyBoss product would be the LadyBoss Burn. Only because these two are really freaking good. So I mean, I feel like between these two, I mean, I still really do like the LadyBoss Burn, but between these two, it's just really hard to decide. It really just has to go 3rd between these two. So again, the LadyBoss Burn is really good. It's super effective. It's something that I take right before I work out because it really just kind of like, it doesn't give me like a crazy amount of energy, but it just feels like I can just like push myself that much more when I'm working out. I just feel like I have a better workout. I just feel good, and I don't really feel like I have like a crash after I work out as well. So that's why I like the LadyBoss Burn. So now we are down to the top 2. I'm sure you guys probably knew that it was gonna be like the top 2. What do you guys think is going to be my number 1 and my number 2 choice? I really feel like it's actually a pretty hard choice because I love them both so much. Honestly, if you guys have not tried the LadyBoss Greens, it is so good. It's like my favorite. It just tastes so freaking good. As much as it looks disgusting because it looks like you're drinking algae or like everything turns green, but it is so good. It literally does not taste like greens. It tastes like apple pie. And the LadyBoss Lean, I mean, this is something that you can pretty much make with anything. You can make oatmeal, you can make smoothies. When you add it with the LadyBoss Greens, it tastes like apple pie and vanilla ice cream. I've used the LadyBoss Lean for pretty much everything. So if I had to choose my number 1 and my number 2, my number 1 choice for LadyBoss and all of their products between the LadyBoss Lean and LadyBoss Greens, I feel like I almost can't even, because I feel like it's pretty much a tiebreaker. I would have to say the LadyBoss Lean. The only reason why I'm choosing the LadyBoss Lean over the LadyBoss Greens is you can literally use the LadyBoss Lean for pretty much anything. Literally, you can use it in oatmeal. You can use it to make like the chocolate chip cookie dough. You can use it for like all your smoothies. You can put this protein powder in anything and it tastes so freaking good. Like any other protein powder does not even compare to the LadyBoss Lean. But don't forget to put the LadyBoss Greens, because the LadyBoss Greens, I'm telling you, it just makes you feel good. And you know you're getting all of your greens for the day, and it's just so, so good. I think it's just because it's apple pie flavor, it just like takes it over the top. Again, this is my number 1, and this is my number 2 choice. How many of you guys knew that it was gonna be a LadyBoss Lean? Let's be honest. So let's talk about the LadyBoss discount. You guys like this like LadyBoss swag that I have too? I actually got this at the LadyBoss Live and I freaking love it. It's like the nicest jacket sweater. I don't even know what you would call it. Kind of like a jacket sweater. I love it. It's like the nicest thing ever. It is so comfortable. And I like the sleeves because you can actually put your thumb through them as well. And they're long because I have crazy long arms, I'm pretty sure. So I like that they're long and it's comfortable and it's kind of warm and it just feels good. I love it. Okay, so let's talk about the discount because everybody loves a good discount. I know I like a good discount. I am a sucker for discounts for sure. Like even when I'm online shopping, I'm always like, clearance section, what's in the clearance section? What's in the sales section? And I mean, even when it's on sale and I don't really need it, it seems like I always end up buying it, which is funny. So there's actually gonna be links down below so you guys can actually find the LadyBoss products that you guys are looking for. So be sure to try the lead and the LadyBoss Greens. When you guys try these together, it is literally gonna blow your mind. So LadyBoss Lean. So basically when you order the LadyBoss Lean, and again, there's gonna be a link down below so you guys can check that out and buy some of the LadyBoss Lean if you want. But when you click on the link to buy the LadyBoss Lean, so basically you have the choice that you can buy either 1, 2, or 3 bags. So obviously the more bags that you buy, like the more discount you're gonna get. If you just buy 1 bag, basically it's just like 1 set price. Buy 2 bags, you get 15% off. If you buy 3 bags, you're actually gonna get 20% off. And that's actually without the club membership at all. So you don't even have to sign up to the club membership. It's an option. Now, when you go, basically you scroll down to the bottom, it's gonna give you the option that if you wanna sign up for the club membership. So again, the club membership is basically like an auto ship. So you're gonna get your product every single month around like the same time. So when you do sign up for the club membership, it's actually gonna give you more of a discount. So if you buy 1 bag, it's basically gonna give you 15% discount on just 1 bag. If you buy 2 bags, you get 30% discount. And if you buy 3 bags, you're actually gonna get a 35% discount, which is pretty freaking amazing. 35% off of LadyBoss Lean? Hello, best deal ever. So if you guys do get the club membership and you decide like after the first month, after you've opted in to like the club membership that you don't want the club membership anymore, you can actually like just send an email into support, or you can just go to like their support on their like websites like ladyboss.com/support or something like that. And there's like a link there. And then basically customer service is really amazing. They'll kind of get back to you right away. But basically you just have to send a message in saying, you know, I don't want the club membership anymore. And they're really good about it and that you can get it canceled. And it's really not that big a deal. So it's not like you're rooked into basically like 6 months on auto ship or like 1 year. You're basically like the moment you buy it, it's basically like if you want it to be 1 order, it can be 1 order. Or if you want it to be like 4 orders, I guess it could be like 4 orders. It's nice that basically you're not like locked into like the auto ship for that long. So the other cool thing with like the club membership is that when like LadyBoss releases like new products, because they just released like a couple new LadyBoss Leans, and of course like when the LadyBoss Greens came out, that basically like the club members actually have like first access to basically all of the new products, which is nice. So that's always like a perk as well. But yeah, that's basically it. So I know whenever I buy the LadyBoss Lean, I actually always like to buy 2 bags at a time just because I do use it a lot. I do use it in like I said, like my oatmeal. Oh my gosh, I've been making these overnight oats and they're so freaking good. I'm gonna make a video and show you guys how good, how delicious, and how easy these are because they're so good. I usually make them up the night before, I put them in the fridge, and then I like to take them, so basically after I work out, it's like my after workout like breakfast / snack. So if you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comments section down below. I would love to know exactly what your favorite LadyBoss products are, as well as I do have to tell you, pretty sure in like every single video or photo that I have, I do have like this like Big Bubba thing that I've been using from LadyBoss. And you know what, this is like, I love this thing. This totally makes me drink so much water. I can have a cup of water with a straw and I can't drink near as much water as when I fill this thing up with water, and for some reason, I always know where it is in my house. It's not like I'm losing like cups like I usually do, but this, I can always find it and it always just makes me drink so much water. If you guys buy any sort of like swag or anything from like the LadyBoss store, I would definitely highly suggest the water bottle. It was like, or the water jug or whatever they call it, because it is so good. Dude, pretty much drank all my water already. If you guys have any questions at all, let me know in the comments section down below. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I can't wait to chat with you in my next video. I will talk to you later. Love you. Bye.